So this problem might look weird because it says x equals sine of y. So the sine curve is actually going like up and down. We don't actually need anything past one cycle. Because if you're familiar with this, one cycle goes to 2 pi. So like right here is pi. And they actually only care from pi over 4, which is like right here. So right here is y equals pi over 4 to right here 3 pi over 4. And they also say they have x equals 0, which is just the y-axis. So we're looking at this function. So don't be confused that they flipped it on you. Just the horizontal lines are your whatever these are called, bounds. And then sine of y, technically your lower function is 0, but if you write minus 0, that is not going to change your answer. And we're doing this in terms of y. And from there, it's set up perfectly. Hopefully, you've already seen the antiderivative of sine is negative cosine, which makes sense. If somebody were to say, what's the derivative of negative cosine, they better say positive sine. If that does not make sense, then this video needs to be a lot longer. And then you put your bounds in there. So what do we have is negative cosine of 3 pi over 4 minus negative, so I'm turn that into plus, cosine of just pi over 4. And think about the difference between those. Okay, so if it's just pi over 4, that's positive root 2 over 2 because it's the x-coordinate on the unit circle. If it's 3 pi over 4, it's negative. I didn't leave room to write the y-coordinate, but they're actually the same y-coordinate there, but that doesn't matter. So it's a negative of negative root 2 over 2. So it's positive root 2 over 2 plus root 2 over 2. So it is 2 root 2 over 2. And these 2's will cancel. So the answer is simply root 2.